I'm gonna show you guys how to take the mirror off while we're here. Might as well. This guy, I'm very unsuccessful taking off without breaking it. I break it 90% of the time. Hopefully this is not one of them. And it survived somehow. Go ahead and disconnect that. Little pin, push pin right there, push that. Number eight, or use a hand Phillips. This one's the head's just chewed off. But let me go grab a number 8. Couldn't find number 8, so I got another screwdriver, but it's handheld one, so I can push more. Oh, look at that! I got that one. Oh, this is gonna be a little rough. Yeah, I got this one out as well, but number 8, and then this thing just falls right out. So that's all I got for today, guys, on this car. We'll go find another car to tear apart and show you guys what's up.